Hi, I'm back again. I promise to be less cheesier than last time. I was really embarrassed by that video of mine, and yeah, it's okay. It's just who I am. But it's time to get serious now. This is a really short video, and it's not about you or me. It's not about if you like me or not. It's not about if you appreciate these videos or not. It's so much more than being a YouTuber or being fancy. I'm sorry, I don't have the right words again. We have an alarming situation right in front of us. I don't want to throw random facts at you. You are all well aware of it. Climate change, global warming. I did this because क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में हम सब बहुत बातें करते हैं. क्लाइमेट बदल रहा है, ये फैक्टर्स है, वो फैक्टर्स है, बट व्हाट आर वी एक्चुअली डूइंग फॉर इट? Guys, it's really serious. I stay in Harrison, New Jersey. New Jersey is supposed to be cooler, relatively good. I'll tell you something. We were cold till May, like till the ends of May. यहाँ पे बहुत ठंडी थी. It's not supposed to be that way. The cycle of the climate is changing really rapidly. I don't know what we can do about this. Something has to be done on a global level. I agree for that. But more than that, what are we doing on individual level? I live in a town जहाँ पे recycle होता है everything properly. Yes. But on personal level, are we reducing our carbon footprint? I insist all of you to please go to your web browser right now and type in a carbon footprint calculator. Please calculate your carbon footprint. See if you are ecological or not, eco-friendly or not. And that's a sincere urge. Let's try to do something for the environment. There's just one planet we have in which we live. I know after watching all those Independence Day fancy alien movies, हम सबको लगता है कि probably there's a planet out there where we can live. But guys, do you want to wake up every day to a red soil, to something that's so dull, grey, red all the time? No यार, come on. Earth जैसा कोई planet नहीं है. And we can never get something that is so beautiful. So, in spite of the fact कि this is something that's, really not in our control. It is in our control. Please, guys, let's just do this. When I say guys, it's guys and girls. Please don't start a long debate about how she's just, trying to address a specific gender. It's more than that. Everything right now is more than race, religion, caste, creed, country. It's about a planet that we all live on. Okay, it's about our planet, and it's time that we get serious about it. Please, guys and girls and elders and kids, we need to find a collective solution. Personally, what I do is I save paper. I try to save as much paper as possible. I don't know how it helps, but I do. I try to switch off lights wherever I go. Indians को light का importance ज़्यादा पता है. Americans have never faced shortage of light. I don't know how they feel about it. But as usual, uncut version, real version of videos, and I mean it, yaar. It's bigger than all of us. Right now, at this moment, I'm sure there might be some people who don't like me who watch this video. It's not about you. It's not about me. Please, let's try to come up with a solution. I'm not saying that you're not doing anything or that I'm doing something very significant. No, baby steps here. But then drops of water make an ocean. Something like that. Yeah. So, guys, sorry. This one was not as funny as before. I'm sure I'll be back to make you laugh, to make you have comments for me. I like that. I would genuinely like that. But that's for next time. This time, it's for the world. It's for the environment.